I am now going to show you the best strategy for pocket option for 5-second close, and I will let it take many trades and we'll set a high target. Okay, so if you like this type of videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you never lose an update video just like this one. Also, if you want to have this binary option robot for yourself, you find link below the video, so you also can get started completely for free today. Works both on desktop and on cell phone. The desktop version looks exactly like the one that you see here on my cell phone. So now let's start up and let's see how much money we make in this video. I am now going to show you the best strategy for pocket option auto trader. And if you want to have this binary option robot yourself, you can find a link above the video at X and in bio or below the video at YouTube. So I will now take a few trades. As you can see, we already got one winner and one loser. The speed of the video right now is at around 10x, just so you know. So we have 260, we have $419 profit, 500, 700. As you see, go up very fast there now. Our target is $1,000 and we got it right. And there we have it, $1,010 and a 70% win rate. 70% win rate on a 5 seconds close, that is pretty amazing. So once again, if you want this binary option robot, you find link below the video and make sure you comment on the video and like the video. Have an amazing day.